Students, this is a demonstration of the outline format assignment. The first step in the assignment is to open a new blank page. And if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you can see what you need to copy. I'm going to move this on another screen, but basically in this assignment all you have to do is copy all of this on another page, but not as in copy and paste, as in type and format on your own. So I have my blank page. I'm going to type the title, Keyboarding Applications Standard and Objectives. And you can see on here that there are these little boxes with these outlines. These are the one thing you do not have to copy onto the Microsoft Word document. Those are simply hints of how to format. So you need a double space in between keyboarding and technique. You need to format the heading with Cambria font 16 point and bold. This is demonstrating that you'll need to hit tab in order to insert these bullets, and this is also shift tab to move one level out. But again, you're not going to type these, you're just going to use them as a hint. So to start formatting, I'm going to triple click my title, I'm going to bold, and again I'm going to go to 16 point font, and it was Cambria, however you say that, and it is centered. So all of the hints that you need are not on this page. Basically you're designing a worksheet based on what you've learned in formatting and alignment and bullets so far. So not everything you need to do is hinted on that page. You need to access your previous information. So I can see on this page, my cursor right now is center aligned, but this information over here is left aligned. So I'm going to change it to left aligned. And then I'm going to type this. This is a bullet, and I'll show you. All you need to do is type 1 and then a parenthesis. Okay, and then I can already see I need to change something, because if you look at the document, that's not bold or that big. So we need to change it back to Calibri 11 point font. As you can see the hint right here. So I need to make sure I include that. And it's also not bold. So I'm going to type technique, and then the next bullet down will be practice technique. So I hit one space, but it went more than one space because Microsoft Word recognizes that as a bullet. And because it recognizes it as a bullet, it automatically, when you hit enter, assigns the number 2 to it. To get rid of that, just hit the backspace. And now we're going to do the A and parenthesis. And again, when you see this little icon here, that means that Microsoft Word has made that autocorrection and knows that you want it as a bullet. And so I'm going to type practice technique. You can see on this page that practice technique is bold. So we'll select that and bold it. And now we're going to do feet placed appropriately for balance. Notice we're going to have a new bullet there. So I'm going to hit enter, and Word is automatically going to put the B there, but after I backspace and hit tab, it knows I want another subcategory, but this isn't the bullet I want. So you come back up here to bullets and you find the one you want. So you just click on this little icon. These are the picture bullets, these are the number bullets, and choose the Roman numerals. And again, this is bolding on us, so we don't want that, so let's unbold. Okay, I'm gonna have to undo that bullet. and hit bold before I hit enter. And again, I'm going to backspace and do I and a parenthesis. And feet placed appropriately for balance. Again, it's bolding. See, this is kind of what you have to do when you do this. You just mess with it till it works. And it automatically did the next one for us. So then we would go center body on the H key with elbows at the sides. Okay, so you can see as you just have to go through the document and type the rest of it and use the knowledge you have to make it look right. If you have any questions, raise your hand.